Hello family, you're welcome back again to my channel. So guys, today's video I am going to be showing you all how to make a DIY hair cream butter. This butter is very amazing and it stimulates hair growth. Your hair becomes smoother and more manageable. It reduces dryness and prevents split ends. You want to make this DIY hair growth butter, which is so creamy and so smooth, and it is going to make your hair grow stronger, longer and healthier. So this is a moringa and fenugreek infused hair butter. So the oils that we are going to be using is olive oil, coconut oil and pure almond oil. You can choose to substitute this oil by using the one you have. You can either choose to use any other oil. This oil works perfectly on my hair, so I will be using olive oil, coconut oil and almond oil. So for the powders, we are going to be using moringa. Moringa powder is an extremely effective natural remedy in the fight against hair loss. It stimulates hair growth by improving the immune function. It also contains proteins, vitamin and mineral. We will also be using fenugreek powder. I love fenugreek a lot because it has a lot of amazing benefits on the hair. Fenugreek is a rich source of vitamin A, K and C. It contains folic acid, potassium, calcium, iron and protein, which are essential nutrients for hair growth. Fenugreek promotes healthy scalp and contributes to hair growth as well. So for the butter, we are going to be using shea butter. You can choose to use any other butter of your choice. So we are only going to be using shea butter. Shea butter has a lot of amazing benefits for the hair. It is moisturizing and help reduce dry scalp and scalp irritation. It has also vitamin A and E with essential fatty acid, which are believed to add moisture and shine to the hair. So we are going to be pouring in our oil into this clean bowl. I will be adding my coconut oil, my olive oil and my almond oil. Now I will go ahead and add in my powders. My fenugreek, I will be adding 3 spoons of fenugreek. My moringa powder, I will be adding 2 full spoons of it. So right now, I will go ahead and infuse my powder properly into the oil. So this double boiling method is going to help infuse my powders more into the oil. So it is in a low heat right now, and when the water starts boiling, I will go ahead and off it. the oil is well infused, I'll go ahead and off it and then turn it into a glass jar. I'll be keeping my oil for a week before I use it because I want the powders to infuse more. You can decide to go ahead and sieve it straight ahead and use it immediately. Because I have time, I'll go ahead and turn it inside this glass jar. I'll keep it for a week in the sun and also in a cool, dry place for it to, infuse more. And this is a week later, and this is how the oil is looking. I'll go ahead and then sieve it and make my butter with it. So this is my shea butter, and this is about 100 grams of shea butter. I'll go ahead and melt it down with a double boiler, using the double boiler method to melt it down and then pour it inside my oil. So after pouring this, I'll mix it together and then put it in the fridge for it to solidify before whipping it. So guys, this is how it is looking after it has solidified. So I did not put it in the fridge longer for it to solidify to the extent that I won't be able to whip it, because this is the hand mixer that I'll be using. So I'm using this hand mixer because the other whipper that I have is broken, and this also works perfectly for me. So guys, you can decide to use any hand whipper or mixer that you have at home. So guys, this is creamy and so smooth. This is how it is looking. You can decide to whip it longer than this, or you can decide to leave it like this. I just finished making my hair cream butter with fenugreek and moringa. This is the finished product and it smells so good. This is so natural and I am really so excited to try this out. And yeah, this is so good and this is how it looks. It's so fluffy, smooth, and it smells great. So this is our moringa and fenugreek. I'm just going to rub it in my hand, and this is how it looks, guys. It just melts straight away and it is going to penetrate into your hair. Guys, I'm going to also show you all how to apply this moringa fenugreek hair cream butter. So I will go ahead and spray my hair with water. You can use water or a leave-in condition, and then I'll go ahead and apply a generous amount of my hair cream butter that I just made. And then after applying it, I'll go ahead and twist it. You can decide to do any protective hairstyle with this cream butter. Okay guys, this is how it is looking. My hair feels so soft, smooth, shiny and moisturized. My hair feels moisturized and more manageable now to work with. Our hair needs lots of moisture because that keeps our hair hydrated. Without moisture, our hair becomes dry and brittle. When the hair is being moisturized, water molecules bind with the protein that is present in the strands. It is this way that they are able to absorb and perform its duty. So guys, I am so glad and excited that I was able to show you all how to make your own DIY moringa and fenugreek hair cream butter. So guys, you can decide to make any protective hairstyle of your choice. Moisturize your hair twice a week with this butter, or anytime you feel like your hair is dry and it needs to be moisturized. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to this channel, join this channel, subscribe. Okay, please subscribe, share this video, give it a like so that YouTube will help recommend this video to other people. So remain blessed guys, and I really appreciate and I hope you guys find this video helpful. So you can decide to store your butter in the fridge or in a cool, dry place. So I really appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.